In this video, I will show you how to fix notifications not showing on Telegram. So if your notifications are not showing on Telegram and you want to fix this, then I'm going to show you the best ways on how you can fix this. So first of all, we're going to head over to our Telegram app. So let's go ahead and click on this. And then from here, we're going to click on the settings tab at the bottom right. From here, we're going to click on notifications and sounds in here. So let's go ahead and do that. And then we need to make sure that we have a lot of these notification settings turned on. So for private chats, that is the one that you're using the most, you need to be sure that this is put on. So go ahead and click on this and then make sure that you have show notifications turned on as well and message preview. So if you have done this, you can also go to group chats because this is also something that is commonly used, and then make sure that show notifications is on and message preview as well. So these are the most important things that you need to have turned on. And then down below, we have in-app notifications, and here you need to have in-app sounds turned on as well and in-app preview. And then you can also have names on lock screen on, and that is basically the most important things that you need to have turned on in here. Also, what can help to fix the problem is by having new contacts on like I have right now. So that is basically what you can do to fix them not showing. If they are still not showing after you have done this, then you can click on reset all notifications just down below. And if it still is not working, we're going to head over to the next thing. And for this, we're going over to our settings. So let's go ahead and go to our settings in here, click on settings. And from here, we're going to scroll down all the way and then we're going to click on apps. And then we're going to look for Telegram. So let's scroll down once more. And then we're going to click on Telegram. And from Telegram, we're going to click on notifications. And here you need to make sure that you have your notifications allowed. So make sure that the slider at the top is turned on so that it is green. And then also make sure that you have sounds and badges turned on and that you have lock screen notification center and banners turned on as well. So you can also have your lock screen appearance to have show previews on always like I have it right now. So just click on it and then turn it on always. And then down below, notification grouping can also be automatic. So if you have done all of these things, then you can try if it is working right now. And if it still isn't working, then this is the last thing that you can do. And for this, we need to go back in our settings. Then we're going to scroll up. Then we're going to click on settings again. Then we're going to general, then to iPhone storage. And from here, we're going to head over to Telegram. So let's go ahead and click on this. And now we need to click on offload app. So right now our app won't be deleted, but everything from the app, including the settings, will be offloaded and resetted. So you can just try if this will work for you. And if it still isn't work, you can try to delete the app and install it again. So I'm pretty sure that one of these methods will work. So that is it for the video. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.